Hi everyone, my name is Adam Crahen and welcome to my course, Tableau Desktop Specialist, Applying Analytics to a Worksheet. I am the Director of Analytics, Practices, and Enablement here at Pluralsight. I'm also a former Tableau Zen Master. Tableau is an industry-leading data visualization tool. This course is part of our path to the Tableau Desktop Specialist certification. In this course, you will learn how to apply analytics to a worksheet in Tableau Desktop. Some of the major topics we will cover include understanding basic, table, and level of detail calculations, understanding reference objects, bins, and data sorting, and finally we will jump into Tableau to build a view, add some context, and then make it dynamic with parameters. By the end of this course, you will have the skills and knowledge of how to add analytics for meaningful analysis in Tableau Desktop. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with Tableau Desktop's primary purpose and have a general knowledge of navigating through the tool, and know how to connect to your data. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into Tableau with courses on formatting views for presentations, creating and modifying a dashboard, and understanding dimensions versus measures and discrete versus continuous fields. I hope you'll join me on this journey to prepare for the Tableau Desktop Specialist certification exam with the Tableau Desktop Specialist Applying Analytics to a Worksheet course at Pluralsight.